If your Xbox game bar is causing issues on Windows 11, the first step is to ensure your system meets the basic requirements for it to function. Once confirmed, you can begin troubleshooting by searching for game bar in the Windows search bar and opening the application. If it does not launch directly, there is another method to access its settings. Right-click on the game bar in the search results and select App Settings. In the App Settings window, scroll down until you find the options to manage the application. Locate the Terminate button and click on it to stop any running processes related to the game bar. After terminating, proceed to click on the Repair button. You will see a progress indicator, and it is important to wait until a tick mark appears, signifying that the repair process is complete. If repairing the game bar does not resolve the problem, the next step is to reset it. Return to the app settings for the Xbox game bar. Below the repair option, you will find a Reset button. Click on Reset, and again, wait for the confirmation tick mark to appear. This process will restore the game bar to its default settings. Once the reset is finished, try opening the Xbox game bar once more to see if it is now functioning correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.